Well, that's big enough to take A4 files if you're carrying office stuff to work. It's big enough to carry your gym kit. It's big enough to carry all your makeup. But shoes as well. If you're travelling to work on the train or the bus every single day, you can't be going in big heels.
No.
Well, you can, but you're tottering about. I know I am. So what do you do? You put your trainers on, you put your heels in the bag, no problem.
Oh, easily fit in here, even with big feet like mine.
Bit of shopping.
Yes.
On the way home.
We can get points
Pop into
now.
QuickSave.
You get points for not using placky bags.
Do you? Tell me more.
You get those special points on your card so you can use them in the future for your shopping.
Is that right? I've been away in Frinton-on-Sea, everything's changed. Right. 1999, there's Sabra in Newcastle. I was in Newcastle at the weekend. It was all happening.
Was it nice?
The sun was shining, it was warm. I used to live in Newcastle, and that's the first time it's actually been warm in Newcastle, I think. I lived there for 5 years as well. I used to go on the beach and play with the polar bears. 1999...
Oh, I just got that.
Let's join hands and contact the living. Here we go. No, it didn't work. 1999, if you want to get in right now, because I'm down to the last 9 of these bags available tonight.